Hi everyone, I just received my print of the keyboard keys and I literally just took it out of the box. I haven't looked at them yet, so let's see. I have no idea how they actually look. Okay, here's the frame, which should be, that's the alignment. There's a bit of scratching, but that doesn't matter. It's a bit warped and that actually matters a bit more. And then there should be like 14, I think, keys or something like that. And I asked them, since you can see here how they print them upside down, hanging. And all these supports are actually touching the key, the top of the key there. So they asked me if it's okay if they sandpaper them, and I see they did, which I think actually, no, they're just very like transparent, like these keys or this material. You can see the snaps here, and they're quite springy. Okay, let's pop one in. I mean, this is the regular size here. Let me just look at it slightly closer. Right, I guess it should just fit. Oh wait, that's... Let's try. Yeah, so it definitely fits. It doesn't fall out, which was one of the worries. It has some problems. I need something to push it down. Sure, let's have a pen. But there's no uniform force acting on it, so that's why it came out like that. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's too hard. Like I need to apply quite a lot of force to actually get it out. Or am I putting it? You know, I think I put it inside, upside down, I think actually. Let me try to push it out without breaking. I should have opened. Yeah, that looks more. How could I have forgotten already? Yeah, the fact that it's warped, it doesn't help. Yeah, that's actually a lot better. And then I have like the button actually here. Let's put it on top. Okay, nice. You can actually, I mean, this is, as you can see, it's not really aligned as it should be. Let's try like this, but it does actually work. I mean, now it moved, so there is that problem. I might have sent it slightly too early to manufacturing. I should have put some more design, like these standoffs here, so I can actually put it on something. But this was the first kind of just test run. But this actually works. I mean, for the second, I will actually design a PCB that goes under and aligns perfectly and so on. But I am actually a bit surprised how well it actually works. Like, see, there's this. Yeah, I put it upside down the other way previously. It has a lot of wiggle here, but I think once there's like force, this rubber dome acting on it from the bottom, it actually works quite well. I'm sorry if like you can hear my voice going to the left in your headphones or something, since I'm recording this on my phone and looking around the phone sometimes. So that's the reason for that. This is very impromptu, like Yeah, I wish you could see it because it's hard to describe, but I think it loses alignment. But when it is aligned, whoa, that's some bad warping. But I think that shouldn't be that much of a problem if I have enough standoffs and then it's screwed to the PCB from the bottom. It will actually stay in shape. Or maybe I should try the other, like different material for this part than this part. And then let's see here. So yeah, as I was saying, they told me they did sand off the tops here, so you don't see the residuals of these supports. But I also asked them to leave a few, so I can actually see, like, you know, how it was printed exactly, because I made these tiny indentations in the keycaps, and I'm worried that they disappeared because of the sanding, which it's impossible to see really. They actually look more like they're like this, like, but they should be indented, not like outdented. And I think you can see that better. Yeah, here I think you can see there's like an indent. Anyway, right. So, but no, this is, how did I order this? Because it is this way, because there's the tab. And yeah, I should open the render. I don't have it open right now. Or did I do it somehow inside out in the order? Because it works definitely way better this way around, and I think it should be this way. Okay, but I will have a look and maybe make another video or something. Not gonna bore you. This is already 7 minutes of me just rambling randomly. But yeah, it seems to mostly work, and I'm surprised. So let's see how that goes. Cool. See ya.